Alright, to get the bouncing arrow and pulsating next button into your course, when you get to the end of the timeline or when you unlock the next button, what you're going to do is first go to Slide Master, and you're going to let's look at this code real quick. Alright, so we have a few things happening here. First, it looks for the next button. If the next button is not found, it gives you an error. And then we have two animations happening. The first one is it finds the next button and it goes from white to whatever color this is. This one is burnt orange, and it goes back and forth between these two values. It takes 1 second. It's yo-yo, so it's always bouncing back and forth, and it's also always doing that. It's the repeat is set to -1, which is indefinitely, so it just does it over and over and over again. Border width of 3, and then 0, 3, 0, and solid. Then the next one is you can put anything you want right here. I just found that this was the correct code for the arrow I was looking for. You can put anything you want. This happens only once, so if you readjust the window for that slide, it will be off. But your users shouldn't be resizing slides usually, so I think that should be just fine. And if you don't want one or the other, you can always comment these out or comment that out. Whatever, if you want both of them, you got both of them. If you don't want both of them, delete or comment the one you don't want. This animates that the arrow, so it goes down -5, up -5, down -5, up -5, using this ease, and it also repeats forever indefinitely. We have it get killed, so next time you go to the next button, it clears it, and this is what happens every single time. This loads, since this is the master slide, this loads every single slide, and so it always clears it. This is the next button code. So if we go out of here, you can put highlight next button right here on any place where you want it to have be at the end of something. So on this demo, it's just when the timeline ends, but you can have it unlocked when you click 5 things. You do click through reveals, drag and drops, whatever. Wherever you would usually try to unlock it, just put this in that same area, and that's how you do it. Oops, that's distracting. And that's how you do it. So, I hope you have a great day.